Good morning class. Today we discuss the activity number 27. Object of this activity is to explain the computations of conditional probability of given event A when event B is already occur through an example of throwing a pair of dice. Now material required. The material required is cardboard sheets, square sheets of a plain paper and glue sticks, etc. Now to perform this activity, we take a square white paper and draw the 36 squares and write down all possible outcomes by throwing two dice, and these outcomes are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6. Similarly 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6 and 3 1, 4 1, 5 1, 6 1, and write down all possible outcomes in these squares. Now observations. To find the conditional probability of an event A when B has already occurred, where A is the event, a number 4 on the board dice, and B is the event, 4 has already appeared on the one of the dice. Here we have to find PA upon B. Now figure 1. What is the figure 1? That is, now from figure 1, what is the figure 1? That is, we write the all outcomes when we throw in two dice, and outcomes is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Similarly 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1 and 6 1, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. Now what is the event of A? A is event a number 4 on board dice. A number 4 on the both dice. Clear? Now outcomes favorable to A means A क्या है? बोर्ड डाई पे क्या आना चाहिए? 4 4. ओनली दिस इवेंट. क्लियर? फेवरेबल क्या है? ए के 4, 4. दैट इज. नाउ नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स फेवरेबल टू ए. नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स फेवरेबल टू ए. That is n of A equal to 1. Now outcomes favorable to B, and B is 4 appears one of the dice, means that is figure, and 4 appears one of the dice means that one, that 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6 and 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, 5 4, 6 4. We write down these outcomes that is favorable to B. 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6 and 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5, 4 6. That outcomes favorable to the B is 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5 and 4 6. Number of the outcomes favorable to B, that is n of A, n of B. and total number of the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now probability of B. Probability of B होता है n of B upon number of S. S means sample space. So n of B is 11 and sample space, number of the sample space is 36. Now outcomes is the common to event A and event B is only one event, that is from the figure only this one event is common event, A and B, that is 4 4. And number of outcomes favorable to A intersection B, that is number of A intersection B is 1, only 4 4, that is 1. So probability of A intersection B, that is n A intersection B upon number of S, means 1 upon में 36. Now probability A upon B, that is equals to A intersection B, probability of A intersection B upon P of B, यानी कि means probability of B, that is value is this one is 1 upon 36 and 11 upon में 36, and that is equals to 1 by 11. Now next means P A upon B. For this case P A upon B is equals to 1 by 11. Now next topic is conclusions. The above activity explain how to compute the conditional probability of an event when another event has already occurred. Clear? Now application. Useful to illustrate the concept of Bayes theorem.